Goldplay Exploration Ltd is a Canadian-based gold exploration company. The company engages in the acquisition, exploration, and development of mineral resource properties in the United States and Mexico. Goldplay Exploration owns approximately a 250 square kilometer exploration portfolio in the Rosario mining district in Sinaloa, Mexico, and primarily holds interests in the El Jabal property. Goldplay Exploration Ltd was founded in 2012 and trades on the TSX Venture under the ticker symbol GPLY.
And pass me this material here.
So
hey, everybody. We have Marcio with the CEO of Goldplay Exploration. And I'm just a little out of sorts here, but we're going to be fine here in a minute. Here, give me my notes and my glasses. Here we go. Here we go. Marcio Fonseca. Goldplay Exploration. GPLY, I've met you before. Nice to see you. Thanks for coming on. And you got a great play here. I know there's a lot of potential, and it's mainly a silver play. And in Mexico, correct?
Yes, that's right. It's a gold and silver play in Mexico in the Rosario mining district in Sinaloa. The first time we met was at the early days of the company.
Yes.
I believe March 2018 when we had just went public.
Yeah.
And since then we acquired a multi-million ounce silver asset, high-grade silver open pit.
Yeah. And your background, Marcio, is you're involved in the investment business for some time.
I would say 10 years is a good time.
Yeah. And you're from? Are you from Brazil? Is that?
I was born in Brazil, but
yeah.
I've been living overseas for many years.
Sure.
In Canada, probably now 13 years.
Okay. So what? Give us the value here. Like what? Now I've seen a lot of plays on a regular basis. This is I know you got some great numbers in terms of what's the word I'm looking for here? Recoveries. You're ranging, like we just announced on February 28th, 82 to 92% silver. So you've got a big deposit, 43,101. Maybe just talk about what you see the potential here.
Yes, as you said, we have just released a made in 43,101.
Okay.
Where we have been able to increase materially the indicated and inferred resources. To give an idea, we increased the resources from 30 million ounces of silver equivalent to 47.
So that's over 50%.
Yes, and most of that is open pit and high grade, which can be a high margin, low cost potential project, which fits really well in the silver market in the Rosario mining district in Mexico.
Now, is this to be blunt, there's some talk about some of the jurisdictions in Mexico. You don't necessarily want to be there because of a lot of drug money, etc. How's this jurisdiction?
So, to give a bit of the background, the team and myself, we've been working in Mexico for more than 10 years.
Okay.
So,
people know you.
No, and Mexico is not going to change, but there are good places and bad places. Particularly this region, Sinaloa, is very safe and mining friendly.
All right. And just remind viewers, how many shares of Goldplay are out right now?
So it's a very tight capital structure. We have 41 million shares outstanding.
41 million, okay.
50 fully diluted.
Okay, so you're looking at around 10 million, 11 million market cap right now. 12 million.
And important to highlight here that we have a group of really key shareholders.
Sure.
That not many junior companies at this stage would have. One of them is Sunstorm Gold. It's a $1 billion market cap company.
Right.
JDS Mining and Engineering. Right. Based in Vancouver. Is a mining builder. They have 3.4%.
That's Stibbert, isn't it?
That's Jeff Stibbert.
Yeah. He's a big player. Very big player.
His last transaction was he bought Silver Tip, which is in northern BC, for $15 million US.
Yeah, he's a real player. There's no question.
I agree.
Okay, so silver. You're now. Tell me about your treasury. How much cash you sitting on right now?
We have close to $1.2 million.
1.2 million.
So
And what about exploration for the next, are you going to be doing some drilling now? Are you drilling now, or are you going to start drilling?
So what we are doing is, because we just announced the increase in the resource.
Okay.
And that resource is on 500 meters strike length.
Yes.
But the company has 3.5 or more, close to 5 kilometers of strike length mineralized trend to explore. So what we are doing now is going outside of the resource, defining new areas to expand the resource, aiming to multiply this probably by 2 times. And just as an information, very quick for you, we just put a news release about a parallel zone next to the resource, what can be open pit, potential open pit, where we intersect 56 meters at close to 200 grams per ton silver.
So at 200 grams, so 200 grams, that's about 6-7 ounces.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
Divided by 3. Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Wow.
And that's on surface.
Yeah. Yeah. And how deep are you drilling? Yeah. This is at surface. So let me just go over this again. So you've basically looked at 500 meters.
Yep.
And you're saying this looks like a 3.5
kilometers.
Yeah.
Of mineralized trend.
Right.
Because the 500 meters is in the center of the concession.
Okay.
So we have space to expand on both sides.
Both sides. Okay.
Yeah. There's no restriction about to continue to expand this.
Right. Right.
And we are working as we speak.
So there's a real potential to make this much larger.
I agree.
Okay. 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 Well, listen. Is there anything you want to add?
So it's a young company. Probably next week we are celebrating 1 year old. The team altogether in 1 year has been able to accomplish a lot.
Yeah.
From going public with an exploration portfolio when we met for the first time.
Yes.
2 months after that, we acquired a multi-million ounce asset. In less than 9 months, we were able to put a new resource together. We are moving on to do some engineering, and likely we are going to add some drill holes as well, because we got the permits for the drilling.
Very good. Very good. So we'll leave it there, and then we'll have you back in due course to give us an update. How's that?
Fantastic.
Okay. Thanks, Marcio. Thank you.